Back to the newsroom, data sources and information. A good reporter always asks one question of a source: what do you get out of telling me this? Because a tip is never just a tip, someone usually profits when you act on it. Today Sneha faces a mastery test, 3 helpful sounding pieces of advice, all arriving at once, and learns the rule that cuts through every one of them: follow the money, and ask who benefits if you say yes. Meet Sneha. She's 34, a marketing manager from Hyderabad. And today 3 helpful sounding tips arrive almost at once. Her bank's relationship manager strongly recommends one particular fund. A influencer she follows shares an affiliate link, telling her to sign up through it. And a broker phones with a hot pick, urging her to act fast. Everyone is so eager to help. The old Sneha would have felt grateful and simply gone along. But she's learning to ask the one question a good editor always asks: what does each of these people actually get if I say yes? Here's the rookie move. She treats free advice as unbiased advice. Because these people are friendly and helpful sounding, she assumes their recommendation is purely in her interest. She never asks who earns a commission when she buys that fund, who gets paid when she clicks that affiliate link, or why the broker profits from her trading fast and often. She confuses being sold to with being helped, and ends up in high-cost products that are great for everyone except her. In a newsroom, that's running a press release as if it were journalism. So Sneha follows the money. For each tip, she asks the simple question: who profits if I say yes? The relationship manager, it turns out, earns a commission on that specific high-cost fund. The influencer gets paid for every sign-up through that link. And the broker makes money every time she trades, so, act fast and often, serves him, not her. None of them is necessarily evil, but none of them is neutral, either. Their incentive quietly shapes the advice. And once you can see the incentive, you can finally weigh the advice properly. Here's what InvestPro wants you to notice. Advice is really truly free. Someone, somewhere, usually profits when you follow it. The incentive doesn't make the advice worthless, but it does shape it, and you have to adjust for that. So Sneha didn't become cynical and trust no one. She simply weighted each tip by its motive, and leaned toward advice whose incentive was actually aligned with hers, like a low-cost direct plan or a fee-only advisor who earns the same no matter what she picks. Follow the money, and the good advice separates itself from the sales pitch. So here's the incentive check you run on any advice. 1. Ask who profits if you say yes. Is there a commission, an affiliate payout, or a position they already hold? 2. Weigh the advice by that motive. Is this a sales pitch dressed as guidance, or is their incentive genuinely aligned with yours? 3. Prefer aligned help, a fee-only advisor, a low-cost direct plan, a friend with no stake, and then still verify the claim at the primary source. You don't have to distrust everyone. You just have to know who's paying, before you decide who to believe. First for you, your bank's relationship manager strongly pushes one high-cost fund, calling it perfect for you. What's the sound move? Buy it, because they know your account and surely want to help. Buy double, since they seem so confident. Or ask what commission they earn on it, and compare it against a low-cost direct option that pays them nothing. It's the last one. Their confidence isn't evidence, and perfect for you often means perfect for their commission. Follow the money, then check the boring low-cost alternative before you sign anything. One more. Of these, who is most worth listening to, remembering you'll still verify the facts yourself either way? An influencer who gets paid for every sign-up through their link? Whoever simply sounds the most confident and urgent? Or a fee-only advisor, or a friend, who earns exactly the same no matter which option you choose? It's the aligned one. When someone's pay doesn't depend on your specific decision, their advice is far more likely to be about you than about their commission. Aligned incentives don't guarantee they're right, but they remove the biggest reason to be wrong on purpose. Here's the heart of it. Before you trust any advice, follow the money. 1. Ask who profits if you say yes. 2. If there's a commission, an affiliate payout, or a position behind it, treat the advice as not neutral, adjust for the motive. 3. Prefer help whose incentive is aligned with yours, and still verify the claim at the primary source. This isn't about becoming cynical, it's about seeing clearly. Once you know who's being paid, you can finally tell a genuine recommendation from a polished sales pitch. Start free education with no product to sell you at app.investinsightspro.com. Your score is next.